What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, and in this video we will be going over how to increase your sales for your online business. But if you're new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also click that notification bell so you'll be notified once I upload videos daily on how to make some cash online. If you're watching this video right now and you haven't made your first commission yet, guys, this video is perfect for you. If you're someone who made a few commissions but is not consistent, then this video also is for you. So stick around to the end of this video so you can get some tips on how to get more sales, guys. And this works for me, so I want to share with other people. And every time I do this, I notice that I make money. Okay, so the first thing that you need to focus on is meditation. All right, nothing starts outside. Everything starts within. Okay, everything starts within. So if you could create a thought, if you can create an imagine or illusion to your brain, guys, that you are generating sales, it will start happening in your reality. And I know you might be looking at me like, what is this guy talking about? Okay, so I believe in the law of attraction. I believe in manifestation. All of this ties in with meditation. If you could take 10 to 15 minutes to yourself to close your eyes, control your breathing, think about, the lifestyle that you want. Think about the life that you want in the future. Yeah, you want to join this business and make money today. You want to start making money instantly. But what is your goals? What is your plans? Meditate on how you want your life to be, and you'll start creating your reality. So if you want to be an online entrepreneur, meditate, see yourself working from home, see yourself managing your money well enough to the point where you can work from home. Like right now, a lot of you guys or a lot of people want to work from home, but they can't manage money well. So yeah, they might make commissions, but they might go spend it, blow it on something fun, something, luxurious, not realizing this is their way of, income, paying bills. It's not the same, guys, as a 9-to-5 job. It's not, because you're working on your own terms and you're working, your own time, your own terms. This is your income. This is your life. Meditation is the key, guys. Going within, getting the information and the knowledge and the tools and resources within yourself first will allow you to start creating a reality. Now, the second thing I want to talk about, guys, is setting realistic goals. So yeah, you might see people on the internet making thousands, millions of dollars from the internet. Yes, it's possible. Yes, you can do it. It all starts with being realistic. Those people that's making thousands and millions of dollars, guys, they all started with a realistic goal. Everybody had to start from zero. So don't look at somebody else chapter 15 and compare it to your chapter 1. All right. So set realistic goals. That's the main key point. So if you're coming into an online business, you have to look at the compensation plan. You have to look at the percentage that you're getting paid. You have to look at, okay, do we get paid weekly, bi-weekly, every day? You have to look at all of this stuff, put it together and say, okay, I need to make 15 sales this week to make, enough money to pay my bills. You have to look at everything before treating it as a quick get rich scheme. Okay. You have to be serious about your money. The third thing I want to talk about is a routine. All right. So you have to come up with a daily routine. So from meditation and setting your daily goals, guys, you have to come up with a routine that's going to get you to manifest those sales faster. All right. So a routine might be working out. So when you go to the gym, when you're working out, brain is also pumping as well, and it's putting out positive vibes, positive thoughts. When you're in the gym, that's when you could, start to create something. When you're in the gym, guys, that's when, a lot of creations and stuff happen. You can even go for a walk. Go for a walk. Go if you can't, get in the gym. If you can't run, if you don't want to run, take you a walk. Get some nature, okay? Get you a routine. So once you decide, guys, do some type of, activity. Like me, what I like to do is get all my work done during the day, go to bed early, wake up around 2:30 a.m., go to the gym early in the morning, get me a workout in, come back home, shower, eat breakfast, write my goals down. Routine is very important, because if you don't set yourself a routine and you're just gonna be going with the motions. You don't know what's what. You don't know which way to go because you don't have a routine. That fourth thing that goes along with that routine is consistency. Okay, you have to be consistent. You can't start this business, all right, and get so frustrated to the point where if you don't make sales the first day, the second day, the first month, or the first 90 days, let's say you don't make sales the first 90 days, you quit. That's where a lot of people make the biggest mistakes in the beginning, because you have to learn. Okay, but there are some businesses like what I'm a part of right now that help you earn while you're learning. So you could be a completely newbie and still make money, but it all comes down to consistency and routine. Okay, those two go together. You have to be consistent with your routine. You can't, do it this day and don't do it the next day. You can't do it for 2 days, and expect to skip a day. And, you have to be consistent. All right. So once you learn how to be consistent, come up with a routine, guys. Set you some realistic goals. Meditate. One of the last things that you also need to know, guys, is you need to reinvest. Put money back into your business. Okay. Put money back into your business. That's how your business is going to grow. So you saying like, how can I put money back into my business? Okay, something like solo ads, buying solo ads, which is, buying buying clicks from somebody with a large email list that can go directly to your offer. All right. That's an asset because you're building your own email list. Okay. You're building your own email list, and that's putting money back into your business because you can use those leads in the long run. You're not losing money even if they don't buy on that run that you just bought from. Guess what? They can buy from you next week, the week after that, next month. They are a part of your list. So that's putting money back into your business. Upgrading to another level is also putting money back into your business. You're allowing yourself to get bigger commissions. You're allowing yourself to get better resources and tools to make more money. And you're just putting money back into your online business. All right. Autoresponder. I'm just naming some of the things that is putting money back into your business, like an autoresponder. You could use that. That could help you, send out your emails on autopilot to the list that you're building. It's just a lot of things, guys, that you could do to help your business grow. When you do get commissions, you don't have to go shopping. You don't have to go buy the nicest car. You don't have to go buy all of the liabilities that people are attached to. You can be different. Just put your money back into your business, make more money, double your money, and then go buy, what it is that you want to buy. What I want to talk about, guys, is one of the levels that I'm a part of with $25 1UP that could help you make more money every single day. If you could follow those steps that I showed you before, slide here, guys, you could really make some good money. So if you could see yourself making $250 per sale, then you are someone who is ready to change your life. Okay. The diamond level, you get digital marketing lifestyle training. You get a 10K blueprint. Also get a modern day email marketing. Like I was telling you guys about marketing through the email to the list that you're growing. You also learn how to build a online t-shirt business with this system as well. Facebook group mastery. You get a lot of support. It's a really big team that is helping everybody, a really big team that's trying to help everybody win, everybody, grow when it comes to online marketing, because that's really what it's all about. We're not in competition with anybody. $25 1UP is all about helping each other. It's leverage. Okay. So how to use Facebook Live effectively. I'm someone who used to struggle with going live. I'm somebody who, struggled with being live on any social platform. This training here can help you get over those fears, can help you be more vocal. It's not that bad. I really didn't used to like being in front of the camera, and now look at me. I have lights, microphone, all of this stuff going on, YouTube channel. Think to yourself now, like, hey, I'm too shy to do this. I'm too shy to do that. I can't get, I can't get on that camera. I can't be fluent. Guys, I used to say the same thing, but look at me. I just kept doing it. I stayed consistent. I kept going, and I'm still not the best. I'm not even nowhere where I want to be yet, but I'm just to the point where I upload my videos. I don't care, what people think, or I don't care about what people think. I used to really care about what people would think about me uploading a video on how to make money, because it was like something different from what everybody else knew about. So get over there, and it was something bigger and better out there other than a 9-to-5 job, which allowed me to try out different systems and opportunities that allowed me to get paid. Now I'm here sharing with you guys a system that could get you $250 to $500 daily, instant 100% commissions. If you want more information to that, guys, it will be below in the description box. If you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Other than that, I'm out.